All right. Hey guys, welcome to the last video in our series where we've been putting together a modern uplifting trance track for 2025. And in this video, we're going to focus on the final mix and we're going to just show you again my quick little mastering chain that I use with Ozone and how I submit this to a record label. And I'll follow up with you guys in another video if we get this signed. If it doesn't get signed, I think I'm going to have to just delete this whole series because apparently, and if it doesn't get signed, we'll see what the record label says, sort of the feedback that we get from them, and go from there. So this, for the most part, is going to be the final product. I might give it a couple days of a break, listen through to it a couple more times, make some final adjustments, and then send it out and go from there. Again, guys, thank you for the feedback throughout the project. This has been awesome. I really enjoy doing these series with you guys. If there's anything else you want me to cover, anything you guys need help with, anything I haven't explained well, I would love to hear about it and cover it in some future videos. But all right, guys, enough talking. Let's get to the music. Okay, guys, so I'm pretty much happy with the mix. I think I will spend a bit more time going through and finalizing some things. But at this point, I think we can show you how to do the master chain. Again, I just use a basic Ozone mastering preset here. I literally put it through this techno preset and I just adjust the threshold until I get a reasonable amount of compression without without squashing the signal. And I also set the ceiling pretty high, and this works as a good sort of temporary master that you can send the record label, and then I recommend shutting it off when you send them the final track. That way they can just master it themselves. Okay, guys, so this is how you submit a track for a demo, and you can just, we'll go ahead and copy and paste this link in the description. And so this is all I did. I literally looked up State Control Records. I found their demo submission page through keen Googling, and I fill it out, upload the track, follow the instructions, and submit it. So once I have the final mix, I'm going to go ahead and submit this. Okay, guys. So that pretty much concludes this series. If you guys have any questions, any feedback, please drop it into the comments below. Thank you guys for sticking around for these 8 videos. Let me know how you think of this format, if you like longer videos, if the videos should be shorter. And again, I really appreciate you guys, all your feedback. It's great. It inspires me to keep making more. And I'm looking forward to season 3, where we're going to make more uplifting trance. So, all right, guys, stay beautiful. See you on the next one. So, I'm just waiting for the final export to finish, and then I will upload the MP3 to the record label and see what they say, and I will get back to you guys and find out if we need to improve the track or if it's a loss, or maybe we send it somewhere else. Maybe somebody else would like it. Hey guys, and we're back. And so I'm a few days late to make this video, but we got the results from the record label, guys. Oh man, I think I'm gonna have to just delete this whole series because apparently I got signed again. That's right. Okay, and I might have to delete the series because now this track is signed, and I can't show it to you guys. No, I'm just joking. But that's right, guys. So we did it. We did it. Thank you guys for being on this journey with me. That was awesome. That was an accomplishment. I mean, we did it. You guys got to watch me birth a track from my little head. I made it reality. We got it signed. So this is proof. These techniques work. And I was taught these techniques by somebody, a little birdie. I'm not gonna say who. One day, maybe one day I'll mention. I'll tell an interesting story about how I went from not knowing what I was doing, but making contact with somebody who knows what they're doing, and they took me under their wing and showed me some great techniques. And once I started doing that, my track started getting signed. And so I know these techniques work. I spent a long time perfecting them, and I'm still learning. All right. I'm not where I want to be, but I'm still learning, and I'm here to help you guys maybe not get to Armin van Buren level, right? But if you're a beginner, doesn't matter how old you are, if you're somebody later getting into music production, if you're somebody young, and you might want to like be tempted to go to college for music production. I did that, and it was kind of a bad decision. Like it's a long, hard, arduous road of not making money. So I don't really recommend it, but I get it. Like if I didn't do it, I probably would have regretted it my whole life, to be honest. So I'm really grateful to be here. But I'll tell you guys, you don't have to go to production school. Like I wish I knew all this stuff. I wish I knew somebody like me when I was just starting out, because I will literally like show you how to do this. And the reason I'll show you how to do this is because what I already know is it's not, even if I gave half the people the tools, not everybody's even going to take it and run with it. You can give somebody the keys to the Lamborghini, but if they never get in and drive it, it doesn't even matter, right? So I'm literally giving you guys the keys to the Lamborghini. It's up to you to drive it. Take it where you want to go, all right? Drive off into the sunset with this knowledge. All right? I literally put this on YouTube for free. All right? I'm crazy. This is crazy. You guys should have paid thousands of dollars for this knowledge, but I'm literally going to put it out there for free because knowledge is power, guys. I want to see you guys make trance music. I want to see more people make it because it's not impossible to make. Trance is an awesome genre. Like, a lot of people don't know about it, and when I show it to them, they're impressed. They're like, "Whoa, like, what is this?" It's crazy. Somebody actually said they were scared of me because the music was like doing something to them. So anyway, guys, thank you. So this is what it looks like. I've gotten rejection letters. Let's pull up a rejection letter. Um, what was one track that I had sent in? Oh, there was one recently I sent in. Great Skies. That just says thank you. Demo box. Unfortunately, we will have to we will have to pass by this one, but keep your demos coming. So, listen, guys, don't be hurt. It's okay. We all suck. Even good people will suck. Like, we're just making music. I'm just making music. And if they like it, they like it. If they don't, they don't. Make music that's going to make you happy. And if you're happy, I think other people will feel that, and they'll feel that in the music. Don't just make music because you're trying to impress somebody. Don't make music because you're trying to make money or be anything. Just make music because you enjoy it. Make the music that you enjoy making, and people will connect with that. And through that, we can learn production techniques to make our productions better. Okay. That's what it's about. It's just making this stuff better, but make the music you want to make. All right. That's my advice. And all right, guys, thanks for hanging out on this whole series. I mean, it's been awesome. Hey, see you guys on the next one, all right?